In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and publish your very own website using Hostinger's intuitive tools. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to Hostinger. So, head over to their website at hostinger.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your hPanel account. This is essentially the command center where you'll manage all your web hosting activities. Once inside hPanel, you're ready to start a new website. Look for the tab labeled Websites and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to Create or Add Website. Opt for this, and when asked what tool you'd like to use, select Use Hostinger Website Builder AI. This option employs a handy artificial intelligence engine that makes setting up your website a breeze. Now, the AI will walk you through a series of questions to better understand your needs. It'll ask about your business type or the industry you're part of, whether it's photography, a restaurant business, a personal blog, or something entirely different. You'll also need to provide the name of your site and offer a brief description of what your site is about. These details are crucial because the AI will use this information to craft a tailored website design just for you. It will generate text, select images, and design a layout that's best suited for your specific business or project. Once your draft website is ready, it's time to customize it according to your taste and requirements. This is where the fun begins. The website builder features a drag-and-drop editor, making it incredibly easy to make adjustments. Simply click on elements like text, images, or buttons to change or remove them as per your liking. You can also play around with fonts, colors, and layout options through a handy sidebar menu, allowing you to perfect the look and feel of your site. Next up, consider adding additional pages or features, depending on what your website needs. Perhaps you might want to include a contact page, an about section, or even a blog to connect with your audience. There are also options to insert sections such as FAQs, testimonials, maps, or contact forms, which can make your website more interactive and user-friendly. If you're looking to sell products, you can incorporate an online store as well. Before launching your site, you'll need to connect your domain. If you've purchased a domain previously, navigate to the Domains section and click Manage to connect it to your site. But if you haven't bought one yet, don't worry. You can easily purchase a domain directly from Hostinger. Finally, it's time to bring your creation to the world. Head to the top right corner of the builder and click the Publish button. And just like that, your website goes live instantly for everyone to see. And there you have it. You've just created a fully personalized website using Hostinger's AI-powered tools. Happy publishing and enjoy showcasing your unique content to the world.